Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Best of luck. Please subscribe my channel. Your valuable comments. Please share, and comment. Friends, total my guidelines, my YouTube channel, the new channel, the search engine optimization, how to benefit your business, how to benefit your target customer and your goal. Total important to you. Why is the search engine important? Search engine optimization important, and for help and e-commerce business. Very important part the worldwide e-commerce. Present time now the all world e-commerce business very important and use an e-commerce business. The you can why the search engine optimization important and for help important and for SEO help and e-commerce business. So friends, I can presentation my videos, my class, my lectures, and my topics. Present my class and my lecture, my tutorial, my channel. This tutorial today's this 10 to 10 minutes plus. Why is the search engine optimization importance? You know that the search engine optimization is and the what does and the but why is it important. Well, already important that the search engine optimization that is the most effective marketing strategy and even until hard just how even and it's according to research, the 68% of all online experience start with and search quality almost online the shopping the 81 console Google for some other search engine before the marketing there are the process. Many of those the search engine don't have a brand is mine or even know that what they you are long for. By help your e-commerce business e-commerce website rank forever in the search engine result page. SERPs search engine optimization help you enjoy higher level to traffic. That higher you rank the better your change of earning the lions of share the total dozen leads. The important example, the advanced website rank report website in the top stores on SERPs have a more than 40% click those rate CTR, and CTR the means the number of the frequency of click your website great when the shows on search engine result page the lawyer you drove and the page however the few click grade your grade the result number 2 reach less than the help the number of click that the result number of 1 grade and that lawyer you go the more dynamic that CTR fails. If you are on the second phrase your website may as your not next the as 95% of people never go behind on the first page. You may be thinking that the paid ad already do your job of putting you on the first page. After all, the first few results on Google search page are usually ad. That means is open one for two reasons. However, the first you have many sponsor to know that but people heart ads easily. SERPs search shows that 70 to 80% user avoid the paid search engine ad. The closing internet in the click on the organic search result, upgrading result. That is not to say paid ad do not work, but wonder you orient the bank on the traffic that the attractive to the measure of people. Second, the paid ads are not nearly as the effective as search engine optimization SEO. That because paid ad only makes sense for the small category of search. There's only subtitle for user who want to buy right now the complete. This is search engine optimization let you create to all of your positive customer. On matter what study they are at is the buying process. So whether they stake and asking what are the best way to make coffees. Just example is coffees. Whoever is standard search engine better best coffee makers in this the $100,000 your website can be go the top higher. Just example your webpage your best keyword then the search is ad campaign $10 $50 and $100. You are the best campaign the $100 your website and your best keyword your niche your e-commerce website etc etc. There are go to the help. We have discussion, we have a search engine optimization the essential but don'ts that translate in the turning benefit your business. However, the number of structure number one the structure search engine optimization number one the ranking number two design number three social media number four HTML number five analytic number six contain number seven keyword. Just somehow structure and in specific and lecture my videos I can again repeat the search engine structure and go your business and help. That search engine structure the search engine structure in graphics number one rank number two design number three social media number four HTML number five analytic number six content number seven keyword is a very important is the traffics and significance your website. The how can help an e-commerce business your search engine optimization since there are a lot of discussion called team the technical concept and around the search engine optimization using that easy to think that the search engine optimization has no real impact on the button late there are already. However, the quality defense the search engine optimization one of the most effective way and increase your relevant the profile. E-commerce store there's have an strategy and stain of a new customer and the loyal grow and repeat buyers without new buyers to drive new revenues is hard for store to grow. The search engine optimize help final in new buyers that are more like to buy more you. Search engine optimize and SEO enables you to gain that the trusted and consider of online buyers that use increase the lifetime value of your business. Here's how does the benefits work on your store. Some key attract more leads. There are better traffic than search engine optimization for drive the leads and website according outbound and search the number of drive traffic and contain website is over the 300% more effective than social media. The link wire the 39% of all e-commerce traffic come for search engine haste. Simple put, search engine optimization your business difficult the front thousand look the given you more opportunity and sales, including leads quality, including increased lead quality. The e-commerce search engine optimization don't just attract more the site visitor It also help our quality your leads to obtain the e-commerce site, find the themes, and receiving click for the people who are the ready to buy or attract. So, sure, your store your highest quality relevant more met in needs. Unfortunately, mainly click your product phase gone given taken information to have seen, then those that your sales and there's search and optimization you can identify please on those people and person important in need make discussion. The multiple sales, the more click from people interest your products, the better your change and higher sales and the people showing just effective search engine optimization in attention better sales backlink report, then the search engine leads having the 14.6% the rate that absolutely improve and crossing the average conversion rate. The e-commerce store is your 24%. Will your authorize increase your steam and another refresh the trustable response the reach in like on those relevance use the friend and who come more than authorized you have authorized website rank his search result then enjoy just your web search and web store. Friends, very important part of the why is a important search engine optimization your e-commerce business. Can you help search engine optimization? How can help search engine optimization and e-commerce business? Thank you, best of luck. Please subscribe my channel. Very important topics, the search engine optimization important and how can help an e-commerce business. Thank you, best of luck. Please friends subscribe my channel and your valuable comment and share like I can present my channel all time the search and optimization is specific topics and important topics guideline. Best of luck.